Hey there, this is Mitch. Listen, oftentimes I get asked, like, what are some really cool things that ChatGPT will do or large language models will do that are really useful for business? So this is for anybody who has a business where you need to make like a quick QR code. Maybe you're a speaker, maybe you're an event person, maybe you're in HR and you're like, boy, we need like a QR code for an email or a QR code for like a website or a web address. So I just want to show you something so cool. This is something ChatGPT will do right now. And I actually used this live in front of a huge group of people the other day and made my QR code live, and then they were able to use it. So check this out. All right, so just check this out. So what I'm going to do, I've opened up ChatGPT. Now I'm going to literally turn ChatGPT into a QR code making machine. So here's what we're going to do. Now the key is your prompt. So when you're prompting, you want to prompt correctly by literally telling it exactly what you want to do. Remember, like I say in my presentations, and like I say at our business all the time, you've got to literally treat it like an employee, okay? So what I'm going to say is, hey, I need a QR code for our business. Now, what I need is, I need it to connect to our website. And so our website is ahumanhive.com. Now, by the way, you notice I made a little spelling error there. In this case, spelling is going to matter because it's taking me somewhere to a website. So I've got to make sure I get that. You write ahumanhive.com. Okay, so now what ChatGPT is going to do, it's going to physically build a QR code that does not, and repeat that, does not time out. So it does not stop working. You know, a lot of times when you buy a QR code, it will stop working. This one will not. So check this out. Boom. Now, don't take my word for it. Literally scan that with someone else's phone. And by the way, notice I can also download it right there. So you want to scan that with someone else's phone, see if it takes you to our website. And I bet it does. Okay, so the other thing I want you to think about, so again, as you're scanning this with somebody else's phone or something, you can also do this with email. You can say, hey, make a QR code for an email. You can say, make a QR code to a phone number, make a QR code to a different kind of website. Very cool.